How to find trending topics for YouTube videos, trending topics for your YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find lucrative and trending topics for your YouTube videos. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows that YouTube is a great way to make money. If we go onto the explore section of YouTube and we go onto any category or any niche, you can see that there are so many different things that you can make videos on, and there are so many different ways that you can garner hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views. So how do you actually pick a topic where you will be able to get the maximum amount of views? Because let's say if I search for Minecraft. Now, Minecraft is a very popular topic and it is very lucrative still, but Minecraft used to be a lot more popular a couple of years ago. Last year, Minecraft was really popular. So depending on the time that it currently is, let's say currently if it is in summertime, if I search for Christmas, or let's search for Easter. Now, if I search for Easter in Easter time, obviously there are going to be more views on the new videos that are being made on Easter. But if I search for a event on the off season, I will not have enough views. So what is a good denominator to better understand the topics that you should be making YouTube videos on? So first off, with any kind of YouTube channel, you will have to monetize it. You will have to create your channel. You can just do that by clicking on sign in over here. And then you can just sign in via your Gmail account and you will be ready to go. And then you will have to wait for the initial basic time period to fulfill all of your monetization requirements. Now, after that, the money making part starts once you have your channel monetized. What kind of content is going to generate views? Well, there are many different ways that you can generate views on your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to take into consideration is the location of the views. So if you go onto any keyword search finder, I am going to be focusing on Google Trends because Google is one of the most widely used and popular platforms out there. And to better understand what is going to be trending and what is going to get more views, you can easily use Google. Now, you need to understand where you want your views from. So if you take a look, this will give you a calendar and a timeline and a geographical interest to show you guys what area people, like let's say in Europe, what are the basic interests, in America, what are the basic interests, what are people in Australia searching for, because all of these localities will have a certain popular topic. So you can click on the top over here on the top right on Google Trends, or you can just click on your URL bar and search for trends.google.com, and then you can choose the country that you want your views from, because obviously your monetization and the amount of money you get per view is going to vary depending on the kind of country you are getting your views from. So let's say we are going to get our views from France. Maybe I want to target a French audience. Then I'm going to change this to France, and then I would search for any kind of topic that I'm looking to make videos on. So I would search for health over here, and then I can take a look at the overall search for this over time, and then I can also search it worldwide as well instead of having one specific country. Then instead of having it at the past 12 months, I would usually change this to the past 7 to 30 days depending on the kind of thing I have searched. And you can see this is the past 7 days, and if I go, and I can also go for web search, I can also search for image search, news search, YouTube, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. And YouTube search is what we are looking for. We are looking for keywords that are essential for Google, so essential for YouTube videos. So obviously if it's a trending topic, it's going to be very much trending on Google as well, but we are looking for specific high volumes in terms of YouTube search. And if I scroll down over here, you can take a look at the interest by region. So the most amount of views are from United Kingdom after Ghana, and United UK views could be a great potential way to earn money. Then you have Singapore, Australia. So you have countries with a high CPM, which is going to be higher amount of money per view on this list. So I have health, and then I can scroll down and take a look at the related topics and related queries. So what this will allow you to do is once you have like a basic keyword like health, you can just go into the related queries section and take a look at the similar kind of words or similar keywords that you can add into your YouTube videos or make YouTube videos on. So you can see best gaming chair to buy for your back is one of the most popular things that has been searched, and it has a high search volume. If I go on to the past 30 days, I will be able to see, I'm just going to search for gaming chair. And now this technique will allow you to see the overall ratio of how much a term is searched and whether or not you should be making YouTube videos on this or not. Now, another great thing that you can do is you can use these tools called keywordtool.io. Click on YouTube over here and then search for anything. Like let's just search for health once more. And then what this will allow you is that this will also give you more keywords, but this will give you copy and pastable keywords as well. So you can see I have health and healthy. It's just showing me the overall trend and the overall competition. And then you can go onto a tool like Ahrefs, which will also allow you to do YouTube keywords for search specifically. So let's say I'm just going to search for health over here as well, and I'm going to verify I'm not a robot. So you can see over here you have the volume of the search, and you also have questions. So what you can do is click on questions, and then once you have the questions present, you're going to just use these questions. What the health documentary? What does health insurance work? How does health insurance, like all of these questions, you can make YouTube videos on these questions specifically because you already know that people are looking for answers to these questions. So this will enable you to furthermore create video answers to questions like this. So now if I search for, maybe I want to make content on gaming. So I'm going to search for gaming over here. And what I like to do is verify, then go into the question section. And then this will show me questions regarding gaming. And what I can do is I can just answer these gaming questions in my YouTube videos. And this will get me more views. And I will be able to incorporate these amazing keywords all into my YouTube video. And this will easily dictate what kind of content you should create. I generally recommend that you go onto Google Trends first and take a look at popular terms. Let's say you can just scroll down and take a look at the search year of 2021, which is going to be the previous data. And you can just take a look at the most popular terms for the previous year and then begin searching from there. Or just go with your topic of interest. Like I'm going to search for life hack. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this from web search to YouTube search. And then I'm going to change this from Pakistan to worldwide. And once I have worldwide, you can take a look at the worldwide trend for life hack. And then this is for the past year. I'm going to change this to the past 7 days. And this will allow you a more current and present data. And you can take a look at the most searched areas as well. So this will allow you to understand if you will be able to actually make content for a country that will view it. Because let's say if you were making content in French, then even if there is a high search volume, maybe in the United States, you're not still going to be getting any views. So you want to make sure that the content that you are creating is going to be viewed by the interest of the region. So the region is very, very important when you are choosing or taking a look at these keywords for your YouTube channel. Now below that you have your related queries and related topics, and these are another great way to start creating YouTube content with your related queries as well, because you can see you have Scription Life, we have free CSGO hack, and you can just make any kind of YouTube video on these queries or on these topics to begin your YouTube journey. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to find the best keywords for your YouTube channel and find the best content to create using these keywords for your YouTube channel. Using these two, which is ahrefs.com and Google Trends, is going to be a great way to find the best content to create. If you still have any questions regarding this video or how to begin your YouTube journey, leave them in the comment box down below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.